Hey guys, I did a setup. I did a video setup on this several months ago, and I just wanted to do another video because it's still very valid. Just because I don't make a video doesn't mean the setup goes away. So if you want to put this layout on your chart and you have access to TWA Algo, you simply just want to go into the indicator and just click on slow short-term 1. You can do long-term too if you want. Slow long-term 1 or slow short-term 1, 100% up to you. And then you want to come down to the reversal bands and turn on the reversal bands. And basically the setup is very simple. If the line is red, then you take the shorts when price hits the red band. So every time it hits the red band, you take the short. And then when you have, like here, a green line and price hits the green band, you take the long. All right. Here's another one. Line's red, hits the red band, you take the short. Just keep going back. Here's another one. Here's another one. They're not all going to be big, but there should be very little drawdown for each trade. Here's a nice one. Here it is again. So it's a really nice setup. This is how it worked out today. Let it load. Yeah, I'll just leave it at the fastest speed. There we go. And play. So there it is. You can see the move down. Here it is. You can see the move down, right? So it's a very good setup. There it is again. Very easy setup. You know what the hardest thing is with this setup? The hardest thing with this setup is just being patient. That's it. Just being patient and having faith that price is going to come back up and hit in this band. You know, not thinking that it's just going to drop to the floor, you know. That's the main thing, is just being patient. Just being patient. All right, guys, thanks for watching the video. Any questions, go to tradingwithadam.com. Thanks for watching.